Now to the incredibly contagious measles virus. Cases now reported in at least 15 states, including new cases in Vermont, Maryland, and Oklahoma.
Texas has been hit the hardest, with more than 220 confirmed cases and nearly 30 hospitalizations. A recent measles-related death is also in the mix. This first in a decade has added urgency to the situation. Health officials in affected areas are urging parents to vaccinate children as early as 6 months old instead of waiting until 1 year.
When you get a large number of unvaccinated individuals with something as contagious as measles, it can spread very quickly.
Digging deeper, while no measles cases have been reported here in Colorado, data from the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment shows that from 2023 to 2024, statewide MMR vaccination rates for preschool through 12th grade were 93.7%. That's below the 95% threshold needed for community protection against measles in many schools and districts.
Now, Denver Health and Denver Public Schools are working together to push Colorado above that 95% rate.
Denver 7's Daniel Kreuter shows us what they're doing to reach as many people as possible.
And we have our vaccine.
Joseph Rosas is a physician's assistant.
The measles, mumps, and rubella vaccine.
With the school-based health centers in Denver Public Schools.
They're complete pediatricians' offices located inside the schools.
In the last few months, measles cases have been reported in at least 12 states, with dozens of cases in neighboring New Mexico and Texas.
Because it's so contagious, it tends to infect pretty much everyone who might be vulnerable to it, and it can lead to really dire complications, including pneumonias and swelling of the brain.
So Denver Health and the health centers are launching a proactive approach.
This is the first time that I see something like this happen, where we have to take initiative and start reaching out to the community.
Maribel Reyes Casillo is the coordinator for a series of mass vaccination clinics for students and their siblings to get the measles vaccine.
They're very, very safe and very effective at preventing us from getting these illnesses, and especially reducing the chances of getting these complications.
There will be 2 mass vaccination clinics available with parental consent.
As long as you have a Denver Public School sibling, you can be consented to the clinic and get your vaccinations.
The first is Friday, March 14th at the Rachel B. Knoll campus. The next is on March 21st at Kepner Middle School. The third is open to the entire community, regardless of being a student or not. That one is at Place Bridge Academy on April 1st.
They are safe and very effective for adults to receive them too.
Health experts are hopeful that everyone can do their part to make sure measles does not make it back to Colorado. In Denver, I'm Danielle Kreuter, Denver 7.
Those clinics are giving vaccines at no cost with parental consent. If you're interested in signing your student up, you need to call this number on your screen for the appointment line that is right there at the bottom of your screen.